Oh, what? Estamos impossible. No way, it's propelling ahead! Insane speed! Unbelievable!
This is not just an electric car. This is a revolution on four wheels. Meet the Tesla Model S Plaid, the fastest production sedan in America. And yes, it goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds. That's supercar territory. From the outside, the Model S Plaid looks clean, modern, and almost understated. No loud exhaust, no aggressive grille, just smooth lines and a futuristic presence that quietly dominates the road. But the real shock begins when you press the accelerator. Instant torque, no gear shifts, no engine noise, just pure electric force pushing you back into your seat. It doesn't feel like driving, it feels like launching. Under the hood, or technically under the floor, Tesla's advanced tri-motor setup delivers over 1,000 horsepower. And because it's fully electric, the power delivery is instant. There's no delay, no hesitation, just raw acceleration. Step inside, and the future becomes even clearer. A massive touchscreen controls almost everything: minimal buttons, clean dashboard, premium materials, and that unique yoke steering wheel that makes it feel more like a spaceship than a sedan. The cabin is quiet, almost silent. No engine vibration, no exhaust sound, just a smooth, refined ride. Yet, despite all that speed, the Tesla Model S Plaid remains practical. It has space for 5 passengers, a large trunk, and impressive driving range for daily use. And here's the crazy part. It can outrun cars that cost twice as much. Traditional luxury sedans focus on comfort. Supercars focus on speed. The Tesla Model S Plaid does both, and does it silently. But is it perfect? Some drivers miss the sound of a roaring engine. Others question the bold interior design choices. And of course, electric charging still requires planning compared to quick gas fill-ups. Still, there's no denying what Tesla has accomplished here. This isn't just competition for luxury sedans. It's a direct challenge to the entire automotive industry. The question is, would you trade the sound of a V8 for the instant punch of electric power? Because whether you love it or doubt it, one thing is clear. The Tesla Model S Plaid isn't just fast for an electric car. It's fast.